Gampo Sarmiento, and today I'm going to cook tofu and veggie stir fry. The ingredients are 1/4 cabbage, 3 cloves of garlic and 1 onion, 1 sachet of oyster sauce and a salt, and lastly 200 grams of tofu and 1 string of pechay. Nagamit din tayo ng oil para sa pagpipito. First, let's separate the pechay leaves by stripping them apart. After stripping, wash it thoroughly. 100 grams of pechay contains 11 calories. It contains vitamin A, C, and K, as well as calcium, potassium, and fiber. Wash the cabbage to remove dirt. After washing, cut the 1/4 cabbage into small pieces. A 1/4 cabbage has 54 calories. It contains vitamin A and C, as well as iron, potassium, and calcium. After cutting the cabbage, put it into the bowl. Cut the pechay into small pieces. After cutting the pechay, put it aside. Cut the onion into small pieces. One onion contains 46 calories. It has minerals like calcium, iron, and potassium, as well as vitamins like A and C. After cutting, set it aside. Cut the garlic into small pieces. 3 cloves of garlic has 13 calories. It contains minerals like potassium, iron, and calcium. It also has vitamin C and A. After cutting, set it aside. Cut the tofu in half and then into small pieces. A 200 grams of tofu contains 124 calories. It has protein, iron, calcium, and potassium. After cutting the tofu, clean and wash it. Fry the tofu till it becomes golden brown. Igisa ang bawang. Add the onion and wait till it becomes transparent. Add the cabbage and stir fry it. Add the pechay as well. Add water and wait till it's softened. Add oyster sauce and put a little bit Knorr cubes para sa lasa. Halu-haluin ito hanggang sa matunaw. Add the fried tofu and stir fry it. Add boiled egg for additional protein. 1 egg contains protein, iron, calcium, potassium, and vitamin A. It has 74 calories. Here is the finished product. Considering the calories of oil and oyster used, the dish has 360 up to 500 calories.